I am so bored using these toothbrushes. They all look the same. Oh, I totally forgot. I have to write a letter to remind Queen Zima about the secret parcel she was going to send me. What if someone reads my letter and plans to steal my secret parcel? No, I can't let that happen. What if nobody except Queen Zena can read the letter? What if I use invisible ink to write the letter? Whoa! I'm a genius! I will write the letter with invisible ink. It's time to visit Kiki for an invisible adventure.
Hello, King Septis.
Hello, Kiki. When you told me you can make invisible ink, I couldn't wait.
Oh, yes. I was thinking of an experiment that might help us with this. And all we need are these materials.
Haha! That will be great.
Let's start with the experiment.
Yes.
First, we have to think about which one of these could be invisible and what would make it visible.
Well, we are going to write on white paper, so anything white will be invisible.
And grape juice is very colorful. We can test whether that makes white baking powder that will be invisible on a white piece of paper visible. To test how white baking soda is affected by purple grape juice...
It says aim. My aim is to have the largest toothbrush collection.
It is not that aim. The aim here tells us what we are looking at exploring through the experiment.
Oh, now I get it.
Now let's look at the hypothesis.
Hypothesis?
Yes, let me explain. When purple grape juice reacts with baking soda becomes a whole new color. This is the hypothesis. First step is to gather the materials required for the experiment. If we gather these things in advance, we do not have to look for things in between the experiments.
Oh, okay. Let's gather the things then. We have water and baking soda here.
Yes. We also have paper, grape juice, an empty beaker, and a paintbrush. Now we can start the experiment. Let's look at the procedure we need to follow.
Who is this procedure we need to follow? Oh, is she a powerful queen?
No. Procedure is not a queen. It is a part of our experiment. The procedure tells us the steps to follow while doing the experiment.
Oh! And what are these steps?
The first step here is to mix the baking soda and water together. It is important to notice everything that happens during the experiment, like if there is any color change or texture change.
Kiki, I think I'd be able to understand better if I knew the different parts of the experiment.
I think you're right, King Septis. Let's help King Septis understand different parts of this experiment. The process of closely noting and writing down things during an experiment is called blank. Tap on the correct answer. Hooray! Observation is the correct answer. The baking soda dissolves in water and forms a thick white mixture. When the message is first written on the paper, it is not seen. When the grape juice is poured on the paper, the message appears in a different color and can be read.
Oh, you were observing the mixture of baking soda and water?
Exactly. And according to my observation, the white baking soda does change color when it is treated with purple grape juice.
Yeah, and what do we call this part of the experiment?
Let's find out. Baking soda does change color when it reacts with grape juice. This is the blank of the experiment. Tap on the correct answer. Result is the correct answer. After following the procedure correctly, we were able to make the invisible ink. Baking soda does change color when it reacts with grape juice.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Mission accomplished. We were successful in proving the hypothesis about making the invisible ink with water and baking soda. And now we can help others all over the world make invisible ink.
help others?
Oh, yes. This is the next part of the experiment. We summarize the result and why it is useful for other scientists. We tell other scientists what the result can help them with. This is called the blank of the experiment. Tap on the correct answer. Correct! Conclusion is the right answer. Invisible ink can be made using baking soda and water. This can be made visible using grape juice. This is a tried and tested way to make invisible ink. We have written the secret message. To reveal the message written by this invisible ink, you simply need to pour a few drops of grape juice on it. Aha!
Ha-ha!
That's the Kiki way!
Hooray! Thank you, Kiki. This was all possible because of you. Now I will be able to get my secret parcel.
But what is this secret parcel? Oh, wow! I hope you get your secret parcel.
Codis, Clang, tell me what is written in this letter.
We see nothing.
But it has a lot written on it. This letter will get me my secret parcel. Now, go and give this letter to Queen Xena. Carefully.
Yes, Your Majesty, we will guard this with our lives. But what is this secret parcel?
You will see it for yourself tomorrow. This is my secret parcel. Go, beautiful toothbrushes.
Your Majesty, they are beautiful, precious, and elegant.
Just like you.
You both flatter me. And that's why I wanted it to be top secret.